A fishbone diagram is a simple tool used to find the root causes of a problem instead of just treating the symptoms. Start by writing the problem clearly at the head of the fish. For example, customer orders are arriving late. Next, draw the main branches and label them with common cause categories such as people, process, equipment, materials, environment, and measurement. Then, brainstorm possible causes under each category. Keep asking, what could be contributing to this problem? Add every realistic cause you can think of. Once the fishbone is complete, review the causes and identify the ones most likely to be driving the issue. Finally, investigate those causes with data and evidence. Then focus your improvement efforts on the true root causes rather than assumptions. Remember, a fishbone diagram doesn't solve the problem by itself. It helps you find where to look. Get your free white belt accreditation today and learn about the fishbone method in more detail.